What does this say?
2 weeks detention.
Doesn't say leader with edge.
Since when are you into your image? I seem to remember someone saying I need to be about big ideas.
When I'm president. Right now I have to get elected. You of all people should understand that.
Hey, I wasn't willing to give up my principles to win.
You couldn't beat Madison.
At least I didn't sell out.
You guys gotta see this.
He's doing a pollen experiment.
It's me. Durst dug up her garden, gave flowers out to half the dorm.
You watch him. I'll go get Z. Vaughn?
Put down the muffin and walk away.
You are so not gonna believe what... Corinne? Marshall? Lucas?